As lockdown continues, many scientists, instead of asking people to stay inside, are asking them to get outdoors into their garden. Small trusts and scientific organisations are asking the public to count insects in their back garden to make up for the lack of surveys. People have been urged to count and send pictures of the insects they spot outside, such as bees, wasps, butterflies and other creepy crawlies. It is hoped that this education will help inform the public about the valuable role they play.
So they are possibly, although like they're one of the smallest organisms that you have in an ecosystem, they have this major role where they basically impact everything else within that ecosystem. So they're literally linked to every other organism within that ecosystem. For example, if we are making sure that we can survey as much as possible and watch that population trend of a certain species, we can predict how that is going to act going forward. So if we're seeing quite a steep decline, we know that we need to put some sort of conservation measure in place.
Despite being one of the most hated creatures on the planet, they are one of the most important. Current figures show how badly their populations are being affected by both pesticides and by global warming. Without insects, the entire structure of most ecosystems, according to scientists, would collapse. Despite being the smallest players, they very well make the biggest impact. Zach Hobson, Just News, Liverpool.